has it that Jada Kingdom and Burna Boy are dating. The rumor sparked after dancehall singer Jada was seen in a chain that resembles Burna Boy's chain.
She might have bought it though.
I don't know. Tell them that. It's your turn to read.
Oh yeah, the rumors became more intense when the two were seen in Amsterdam celebrating Burna Boy's birthday. Jada posted this video of being backstage while Burna Boy performed. Some hours later, another video of them, in what seems to be a club, surfaced. But what if they are just friends? That is a
Possibility.
Yeah, possibility. You would let me wear your chain, right?
Of course I would.
See, and we're friends.
It's time to wrap up.
Oh yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.
Subscribe.